This next one's called Suffocating, and it's really just about getting out of your hometown to bigger, better things. I gotta get out of the valley, or I'll die here. I gotta see those city lights before I die in the darkness. I wanna know what the fear is like, getting lost just by turning a corner. I wanna know what the tension's like, getting stuck in traffic for more than an hour. My blood boils in the Midwest sun, suffocating for that palm tree oxygen. Let me go, oh, let me go. Those who pull my ankles down, I'll see you so low. This town's so small, but I still feel like no one knows me. I look around and there's no one's life that I would trade instantly. My blood boils in the Midwest sun, suffocating for that palm tree oxygen. Let me go, oh, let me go. Those who pull my ankles down, I'll see you so low, low, low. I grew thick skin to condition, creating the breath no one's ever taken. Oh, my blood boils in the Midwest sun, suffocating for that palm tree oxygen. Let me go, oh, let me go. Those who pull my ankles down, oh, I'll see you so low. Thanks. This is probably my favorite original that I have. It's called Heart on My Sleeve. Tell me what you see in me, 'cause all I see is tragedy. Tell me what you see in you, 'cause I don't have a goddamn clue. Tell me what you see in me, 'cause all I see is tragedy. Tell me what you see in you, 'cause I don't have a goddamn clue. Don't go acting like you know me when I struggle to know myself. Don't go wandering where you shouldn't be, or you'll find yourself caught in hell. Cut up in this chest, I don't know what you'll find. I don't know what you'll find. I don't know what you'll find. Cut open this chest, demons lurk inside. There's demons inside, demons lurk inside. Tell me what you're doing with your life. Hell, I don't know what I just did in mine. Tell me who do you aspire to be? I aspire to be me. Don't go acting like you know me when I struggle to know myself. Don't go wandering where you shouldn't be, or you'll find yourself caught in hell. Cut up in this chest, I don't know what you'll find. I don't know what you'll find. I don't know what you'll find. Cut open this chest, demons lurk inside. There's demons inside, demons lurk inside. I told you to leave, you stayed by my side and caught every lie, but you were deceived. How long can this go on? I know I'm not that strong. Now you This won't be the last time you see me on a stage. Why is the default looking back on happy memories? I'll tell you what, I'm never turning back. This is my last goodbye. I promise I won't cry. I've jumped the other side. It's so much greener. That cliche saying was so right. I've turned to the next chapter, leaving you on the previous page. Don't you worry, no, don't you worry. This won't be the last time you see me on a stage. I'm telling you right now, it's been a crazy ride, and I have no intention stepping back inside. Had to block them out, had to break them, had to burn them, but the memories come back to me. If you're gonna go, then you gotta go right. If you're gonna go down, do it in flames. And the ashes, oh, the ashes will spell my name. This is my last goodbye. I promise I won't cry. I've jumped the other side. It's so much greener. That cliche saying was so right. But don't you worry, no, don't you worry. This won't be the last time you see me on a stage. I'll see you down from stage. Thank you.
That was a really amazing set.
Thank you.
I really loved it. Thank you so much for coming on,
Yes,
MK.
for having me.
Where can people find you and your music?
Yeah, so I'm on all social media, Facebook, Instagram, and you can also find my music on Spotify, Apple Music. I have my links all too, and yeah, pretty much everywhere.
Are there any last things that you would like to plug? Any upcoming projects or other things that you're partnered with? Or
The song Water Street will be my next release, hopefully coming early 2023.
nice, that's awesome to hear. Alrighty then, without further ado, thank you all so much for watching this episode of Sounds of the Valley. You can find this episode and all our other ones on mytv10.uwec.edu and TV10's YouTube page. From myself and all the rest of us in the studio, thank you all so much for watching, and have a good night.